Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again for another video. I know I've been really posted a lot this week, but because markets haven't really given me a lot of setups this week, and as well as that, I've been trying to work on other aspects of my life, I'm trying to not focus on the charts so much because I've been literally being stuck on the charts. So yeah, I've been trying to work on my physical, going to the gym consistently, my financial and my finances together, my mental, my spiritual, getting right with God. So yeah, but today's video, it's a really quick video, nothing complicated, right? I'm just gonna show you guys how to find areas of support and resistance and areas of interest, right? Areas of interest are basically support and resistance. I'm gonna show you guys. So, you can literally find areas of interest or support and resistance on every single time frame. It doesn't matter. Let's go on the time frame, right? This is silver right here. So, what I learned is that an area of support or resistance is an area that has three touches, right? So support is when price is above that area, right? And price does this, right? Boom, as one. So support holds price up, right? Support is like, think of like the floor when you're walking. It holds you up. Resistance, yeah, literally, I'm just gonna flip this upside down. Resistance is like a ceiling on the roof. Like when you jump up, your hand is gonna hit the ceiling every single time. It's gonna bounce off. So this is resistance right here, where price literally comes here and rejects multiple times. And then support is the inverse. Literally, price comes out the bottom, rejects multiple times. Now, to be considered area of interest, what I learned from Alex G's swing trading lab bootcamp, I was in a 30-day bootcamp. What I learned was that an area of interest is an area that has three touches. Now, like I explained in my market structure video, I don't count the wicks. I count the bodies because that's what Alex G taught me. Count the bodies. So this area right here, let's say, right, this would be an area of support right here. This right here, this would not be an area of support. I mean, you could still use it, but not really. But now let's say you do this. This is an area of support right here, right? Let me put that there. That would be an area of support because it has three touches. And then literally the inverse. Resistance, three touches, right? Now, let me give you guys a real, actually, look, there's an example right here. This right here is an area of support right here. You can see that every time price comes to this range, it rejects completely. Same thing here. This is an area of resistance. So like whenever price comes to this area, I'll literally move this down a little bit. Whenever price comes within this area, it rejects it, as you can tell right here. Now, where does area of interest come in? Area of interest is literally support and resistance, where you're capturing an area of it. So this is how I would find an area of interest. I'll find the chart. I'll find my support and resistance. So this is a support area. This is a good resistance area. This is a good support area, and use as resistance. So let's say price does this, right? Rejects, 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 and then finally breaks above. So this is resistance right now. It rejected 3 times, but it finally broke above. Then now it's an area of support because it has those 3 touches. And then price will come retest it and then do whatever it wants to do. And then literally break below. Now it's an area of resistance again. So every time you're below it, you sell. Every time you're above it, you buy. See how I mean? That's what I mean. So an area of support can turn into resistance and vice versa. Resistance can turn into support. So that's basically it. Now, to find an area of interest, literally you just put down your line. Well, look, I found this area of resistance right here. Cool. Now what do? I just take the box and I draw it up from this zone. I literally get as close as I can to the body. If you have to zoom into the market like this, yeah. Get as close as you can to the edge of the body. Boom. And now we have an area of interest. Literally that simple. Area of interest is support and resistance. You just put a box around it. So you have a wider area that you're looking at. Instead of just, oh, if price comes to this line, I'm waiting for rejection for it. Nah, price literally could break above this line. You see? Let's say this structure wasn't right here. This one wasn't right here. If price literally came to the line, you tell yourself, okay, cool. Let me replay this. Okay, cool. If price comes to the line again, I'm gonna reject it. But look what it did. It literally broke above. That's why you need an area of interest, Because now with an area of interest, there's like a bigger gap, like a wider area that you can look at, and not just, oh, if price comes touches this line, I'm buying, I'm selling. Nah, if price comes to this zone, it gives me a good entry signal, then I'll sell from it, and vice versa for support. If price comes to this box right here, this is a nice area, by the way. If price comes to this area right here, then cool, I'd be looking to buy. So simple. Y'all see how it is? So now look at this. This happened over the course of the market, right? Now, what is the market doing right here? It's literally broken above this area of interest. When I tell you, see, when we're below, we sell. When we're above, we buy. So what is the market doing currently? It broke above. So now, what's it gonna do? This area of resistance is not gonna turn into support. It's gonna come retest and then continue to the upside. As well as that, the EMAs are below it. So literally this market is telling you, hey, I'm going to the upside. So what would I be looking for? I would looking to buy. This is why I would go down to lower time frames and I would find a nice order block. Now, I see two order blocks that I really like. Like this one right here. And I also like this one right here. So wait for price to pull back to this area of interest, do its thing. Hold up. And then reject, or it would just forget that one. It would just do this. Don't care about this one. Pull back to this one. And then give me what I want. And I'll take the trade. It's that simple. I use order blocks at the area of interest. Now, order blocks is supply and demand. And I'll make that in a separate video explaining that. But basically, I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to, I have to make a whole separate video to explain supply and demand. Because I'm kind of mixing different things that I learned over YouTube from Alex G's bootcamp and just literally YouTube, bro. YouTube. Watch a bunch of YouTube videos. Find something you like to use, watch a bunch of YouTube videos on. I used to watch videos on Fibonacci, how to use the retracement, all that stuff. I didn't like it. But I realized that Alex G's area of interest, I like it. And then I implemented order blocks, which I really like trading as well. Put them together and it works for me. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, let's get started. Let's get ready for this trading week. I'm excited. We took one trade last week, we lost. It's okay. Just keep moving forward, keep getting better, right? And yeah, this week, let's go. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and remember, let me put this down. The magic you're looking for is in the work you are avoiding. So, you have a good week. Let's get it. All glory to God.